and welcome back. So today I am going to be doing a cleaning video. I am going to be trying out the Sam's detailing kit that was kindly sent to me by Dan at Wax Pack. So the Wax Pack is a detailing shop. I think he actually has one in, I think, Kent. I'm sure he will tell me if I'm wrong or not. If you guys are looking for detailing products, definitely hit up Dan. I will leave a link down below for you guys to go and check out his shop, and you can let me know what you guys think. Okay, so let's get into the car that we are cleaning today. So this car belongs to my good friend Amy. It's a really nice car, but it really is in need of a good clean. So yeah, let's just go and have some of those before shots, and then we will start getting into the video. So this is the detailing kit that the Wax Pack sent to me. It's by Sam's Detailing, as you can see. So it has everything in it that you need. So as you guys can see, there are 8 different bottles in this little pack, and I will go through them all as I'm using them. It was a very nice package to get from Dan. And again, thank you so much for sending it to me. Without these guys, I couldn't be making as many videos as I do. So we're going to start off using the Sam's Snow Foam. Then we're going to go ahead and do the shampoo. After we have washed and shampooed, we're going to use the iron reactor, which is a decontaminator. Then after that, I think we will go ahead and use the ceramic boost, which I think you just spray on while the car is wet, according to the instructions. Then I will dry the car and I will try the ceramic wax and see how that goes. Once we get all the exterior done, we will do the interior glass, and we will give a quick go over on the interior to try out these. We have then also got the exterior detail. So that is the steps we're going to be using today. It's not going to be that much of a hard process, but it is going to help the car quite a lot. Like I say, this car definitely does need a spruce up. So let's just go and get started into today's video and give the Sam's Detailing products a try. They are products that I haven't used in a long time. I've only used a handful of Sam's Detailing products, so I'm really interested to try them out and see what all the fuss is about. So let's just do a quick water behaviour test. As you guys can see, there is no beading at all, so let's see if we can make that better. We start off with snow foaming, and at first glance it looks quite good and quite foamy, which I love in a snow foam. So let's get in those OCD shots. After rinsing off, you guys can see that it has took most of the grime and dirt off. Considering how dirty the car was, it has done quite a good job. So let's move on to washing the car. Plenty of suds for lubrication with the shampoo, which is a must for me when picking out any shampoo. So shampoo rinsed off, and the car is looking a whole lot better already just after a wash. The colour of blue is really, really nice. Now on to iron reactor, and I'm just going to spray it on the panels and leave it for around 5 minutes and then rinse off. just a quick clean of the wheels. They actually weren't too bad. Now ceramic boost time. Again, just going to spray a few squirts on each of the panel. I did go a little overboard, not supposed to, but you rinse it off, you can see the difference that it's made. It has left a bit of beading on the car compared to what it was like at the start, and the water was just running completely off. There was no beading, and it definitely has made a difference, and I am pleasantly surprised with this product. Moving on to drying the car, and I'm going to use the absorber, which was kindly sent to me by the Absorber UK. Now these guys will be featured in another video, but I have used the product and I do actually quite like it, so I'm just going to go on with drying the car. Now, one product that I am really fussy about is glass cleaner, and this one did not disappoint. It really was good, one of the best glass cleaners I've used in a while, so I do recommend that one. So I'm quickly going to try the wax on the boot lid, and it was very good, but it did start to rain, so I didn't get to very much. So by this point it did start to rain. That was as far as I got, but the car's looking a whole lot better. So guys, that just brings us to the end of the video. I did find the Sam's detailing products a bit hit and miss. I do hear a lot of mixed reviews as well about it. The product I liked the best was the ceramic boost. It was actually quite good. I might buy myself a full-size bottle of that. The snow foam was good, it was okay. But as you guys know, I prefer something a bit more soddy, and I know that soddy and foamy isn't always the best, but I do prefer to have something a bit more soddy, so that I can go around the whole car with the little detailing brush and do it that way. Again, it's down to personal preference. If you like something that is doing its job rather than looking the part and having foam the way I do, then yeah, you probably will like it. Then I moved on to the shampoo, and I did actually really like the shampoo a lot. The shampoo was soft, had a lot of lubrication to it, and it smelled really nice actually. Then I moved on to the iron reaction. I didn't actually like the iron reaction. I didn't feel like it done very much to the car. Considering how dirty the car was, it really should have done something to it, but it didn't. The glass cleaner was actually really good. It was one of the better glass cleaners I've used in a little while, so I do like that, and I do recommend that one. Ceramic wax, I did like that as well. I did a little test on, but it did start to rain, but it did work, and it was easy enough to take off. So again, I'm going to give that a better go on one of the other cars inside and see what I think of it, but I have high hopes for that. You guys can judge for yourself as always. I don't like to give too many of my opinions, and I like you to make your own mind up by the video and seeing what the products can do for yourself. Again, a big thanks to Dan at the Wax Pack for sending me the package. The Sam's detailing kit is definitely a good buy, so that you can see what products you do like before you go and buy all them. I think it retails about £35, so it definitely is worth the money to see what you like. As always guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.